Woodpeckers Add an Inch block makes repetitive small piece cutting safe, fast, and accurate. The Add an Inch block simply clamps to your rip fence with a standard track clamp. It's a perfect 1 inch thick, so you can still use the scale on your fence to set your dimension. With the Add an Inch well in front of the saw blade, you can bring your stock against the block, then use your miter gauge to guide the cut. The pieces aren't tight between the blade and the fence, so there's no kickback. You can cut as many as you need, as fast as you care to push them through. If you have our auxiliary rip fence, you don't even need a track clamp. There are counterbore holes that line up with our super track, and we include track nuts and cap screws, so you can add an inch instantly to your auxiliary rip fence. Even when you're not cutting bunches of short pieces, you'll still find dozens of uses for your Add an Inch. It's machined to 1 inch by 2 inches by 3 inches to Woodpecker's strict tolerance for both dimension and squareness. This gives you a handy tool you can use anywhere to set a full inch dimension. Create a square corner for a fixture, or check an assembly for square. Like all Woodpeckers products, each Add an Inch is precisely machined and carefully inspected right here in Strongsville, Ohio. Handle batch cutting safely and quickly with Woodpeckers Add an Inch fence offset block. Order yours today.